Good morning, students of class 9. We'll continue our lesson in English. The sound of music. We'll finish the chapter today. Here are written the points. There are altogether 6 points. As for music, she explains. So far we have learned that she used to sense music. That's why she could perform so exceptionally. She could perform so well. People were surprised and amazed, and they really enjoyed her performance. As for music, she explains. What does Evelyn say? It pours through every part of her body. She says, the music enters or pours into her body from every part. From the hair, from the tip of the fingers, from the bodies and from the legs. Number 2, during her performance, while she was performing, she removes her shoes. She stands on the wooden platform. Her shoes so that the vibration passes through her bare feet. So that the vibration passes from her bare feet, it pours into her body. From the wooden platform, she always used to perform on a wooden dais or a platform, so that she could feel the vibration and perform perfectly. Number 3, Evelyn delights her audiences. As for her performance, when she starts performing, there was pin drop silence and all the people really enjoyed, and they watched with surprise. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. In 1991, she was awarded for the solo performance, single performance. She used to play alone. We have learned that previously she used to join the orchestra, she used to play with the orchestra, and she thought that it is not wise for her. So she decided to perform single. So Philharmonic Society's prestigious award for the Soloist of the Year award. She performed singly, a solo performance, and she was awarded in 1991. So the awards came thick. She received many awards. Wherever she went, she won the awards. That's why she was invited all over the world to play and perform. Number 4, the master percussionist James Blade said, a good musician, a percussionist. Once he said, what did he say? God may have taken her hearing. God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. She could not hear anything, but she had the talent, she had the experience, and God has given her something very extraordinary. What we hear, she feels more deeply than any one of us. She could hear perfectly than us. Sometimes we do not pay attention. What we hear, we just listen through with one ear and passes through another ear. We do not pay attention. Something we cannot hear clearly and properly. But she, whereas regarding Evelyn, she used to hear so perfectly because she used to feel the vibration. So what we hear, she feels, and more deeply and more perfectly than any one of us. That's it. Now number 5, apart from her regular performances, she used to perform regularly. She had no time for herself. She used to practice a few hours and again she used to perform. She was invited at various places. And apart from her regular concert, Evelyn also gives free concert. She used to play or perform free without charging free concert in prison, hospitals and schools. She used to perform for those people who really wanted something for enjoyment. Hospitals, prison and schools. She used to perform free. She used to perform concerts for them. Number 6, she also gave free lessons to the young musicians. Whoever wants to learn music, she used to provide them free lessons. Free lessons were given to those who really want to learn music. So she was quite generous also. She used to give more importance to those young musicians. Somehow she managed to take out the time or have some time for those new musicians so that she could teach them, keep the flame of music burning. So she is a shining inspiration for the deaf children. Really, she was an inspiration for those handicapped children who could not hear. When they see Evelyn performing so well, then it will inspire them. When she can do it, why can't we? So it will inspire them to go or move forward in life so that they will not get disheartened. So in this way, she is a shining inspiration for those deaf children. So you can see how she moved forward in her life. Everything depends on her, on the will and the hard work. The determination, the hard work definitely will lead you to success. It will never let you down. So we must make up our mind to do our best. Whatever we do, we must do our best and definitely will reach the goal. So that is the lesson we have learned from Evelyn. So in our next class, we will be doing second part of the Sound of Music, that is Bismillah Khan. So for Evelyn, this much is here. So now you go through this, study at home regularly. That's all. Thank you for watching the video clip. Thank you.